Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC B1646 indicates a problem with the driver's door left front LF antenna circuit. This system is essential for the keyless access functionality that allows drivers to unlock or start their vehicle without using a key. The driver's door LF antenna is located within the driver's door panel and communicates with the keyless access control unit to grant or deny access. An open circuit in this antenna can prevent the keyless access system from working properly. The diagnostic procedure involves checking various components, including the keyless access control unit and the body control module, as well as ensuring proper connectivity throughout the antenna circuit. Given the complexity of electrical systems in modern vehicles, accurate diagnosis is crucial to effectively address issues related to the DTC. DTC B1646 refers to an open circuit in the driver's door left front antenna. This antenna is a critical component of the keyless access control system, which allows the driver to unlock and start the vehicle effortlessly. Located in the driver's door panel, the LF antenna transmits signals to the keyless access control unit. When this circuit is open, communication is interrupted, leading to failure in keyless entry functions. The keyless access control unit processes inputs from the LF antenna to determine if the vehicle should unlock or start. Proper functioning of this antenna is paramount for maintaining the convenience features expected in modern vehicles. Several factors can lead to the occurrence of DTC B1646. Firstly, an open circuit in the wiring could disrupt the signal from the driver's door LF antenna to the keyless access control unit. Such wiring issues might be caused by physical damage or corrosion over time. Secondly, a faulty LF antenna itself may prevent the proper transmission of signals, necessitating a replacement of the driver's door outer handle that houses the antenna. Lastly, poor connections at any connectors involved can lead to intermittent communication errors, rendering the keyless access system unreliable. Each of these causes must be meticulously examined during troubleshooting to accurately identify the source of the problem. When DTC B1646 is present, the most evident symptoms primarily involve malfunctions in the keyless entry system. Drivers may experience issues with the vehicle not unlocking or starting without using the physical key. Additionally, it may result in intermittent signal loss, where the vehicle occasionally responds but fails consistently. Another common symptom is an unresponsive driver's door, indicating the antenna circuit is compromised. These symptoms often indicate electrical issues that could escalate if left unresolved. Thus, accurate diagnosis and timely repairs are crucial for maintaining the integrity of the vehicle's access systems. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC B1646 involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes. This reset allows for a fresh start in diagnosing the LF antenna circuit's condition. After clearing the codes, the next step is to select the keyless access control unit from the HDS menu to enter the self-check mode. This process checks the functionality of the keyless access system and identifies whether the DTC persists. Following the self-check, using the HDS to scan for DTCs will reveal if B1646 has been re-identified. If the code does appear again, it confirms that the issue is ongoing and further investigation is required. In the second step of troubleshooting for DTC B1646, begin by ensuring the vehicle is in the off/lock mode. Next, disconnect the driver's door outer handle 8P connector to isolate the LF antenna circuit. After this, switch the vehicle to the on mode and proceed to measure the voltage between specified test points on the now disconnected 8P connector. Test point 1 is represented by female terminal number 2, while test point 2 is terminal number 6. If voltage is present between these test points, it indicates that the LF antenna itself may be faulty, necessitating the replacement of the driver's door outer handle. If not, this leads us to the next troubleshooting step. The third step involves checking for an open wire in the EXT FRDR Plus and EXT FRDR minus lines. Commence by setting the vehicle to the off lock mode once again. Utilize a jumper wire to connect terminals A and B, specifically female terminals number 2 and number 6 of the driver's door outer handle 8P connector. With these terminals connected, disconnect the body control module connector F36P to prepare for continuity testing. Upon performing this test under the specified conditions, check for continuity between test points defined on the body control module, which indicates the state of wiring between the LF antenna circuit. A continuity reading suggests healthy wiring conditions, while a lack thereof indicates issues that need repairing. After executing the necessary repairs to address DTC B1646, it is critical to verify that the repair was effective. Start this verification process by clearing any remaining DTC from the system using HDS. Subsequently, conduct a complete system check of the keyless access control unit to ensure all components operate as expected. This includes testing the responsiveness of the keyless entry and the vehicle's ability to recognize the remote. Confirming that the problem is resolved through thorough testing not only reinforces repair effectiveness, but also enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring reliable vehicle operation. A successful verification means the circuit is now intact and functioning. Preventive maintenance is key to preserving the functionality of your Honda CRV's keyless access system. Regular inspections of all electrical connectors throughout the driver's door are essential to avoid future issues like corrosion or connectivity loss. Additionally, ensuring the integrity of the wiring connected to the LF antenna can help prevent complications related to wear and tear over time. Keeping the door mechanisms properly lubricated prevents mechanical failures that could impact the antenna and its communication with the keyless access control unit. Implementing these practices can prolong the lifespan of critical components, maintaining the convenience of your vehicle's keyless features. In conclusion, DTC B1646 serves as an important diagnostic indicator for issues relating to the keyless access system in the Honda CRV. Understanding the significance of the LF antenna circuit helps ensure that repairs target the root cause of malfunctions effectively. Following a systematic approach to troubleshooting, as outlined through the precise steps, aids in accurately diagnosing the issue while fostering confidence in the repair process. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance recommendations can significantly enhance reliability, reducing the likelihood of similar issues arising in the future. Recognizing these components' roles and implementing corrective measures are essential for maintaining optimal vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.